pretty bad. All right, so hey squad, what is happening? Yo, welcome back to the channel. For all my new viewers, want to thank you for tuning into the channel, man. Appreciate you guys clicking on the video and tapping in with your boy. Go ahead, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, man. We definitely want to run this thing up, man. Want to go ahead and hit that next level on subscribers, man. So go ahead and do that for your boy, man. For all my returning viewers, want to appreciate you guys locking in with your boy, tapping in, man. Appreciate y'all supporting me, man. Really appreciate that stuff, man. So shout out to y'all big time. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, no clickbait or cap on this channel, man. Y'all know how I get down on this channel, man. Y'all know exactly how I get down. So this is what we're gonna do today, man. Y'all know I've been doing my 0 to 60s and stuff on this channel last few videos, but I'm gonna try something different this time. I usually start in first gear, so I'm gonna try it in second gear. And the reason I'm gonna try second gear, I got a couple things I want to test out here. So starting in second gear, that will allow me to hopefully lessen the spin. I can get on it harder from the start, and also I will only have to shift one time from starting in second gear. Now the downside of starting in second gear is that I may not be able to accelerate as hard by starting in second gear, and that may hurt me from getting from a standstill. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see if starting in second gear will help me out in my 0 to 60 run. So ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. So let's hop in the car and let's see if this thing works. All right, so we rolling, and go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so you already know, only settings, let me turn the music down, make sure we ain't gonna run into no copyright issues. Let me change my thing here. So it's definitely, this is the coldest day I've done this. This is probably, it's just right, maybe just above 40 degrees. So I'm gonna go traction control off, sport mode on, and yes, my tire pressures are low because of the cold. But whoa, no, chill that out. We ain't want that copyright stuff. Make sure I'm rolling on both cameras. That's what I said, both cameras, because I have another GoPro on the side of my car, so we are going to give you some pretty good shots from multiple angles, man. So we're gonna see what happens this time, man. So we're gonna start in second gear like I said, or we're gonna see if this thing works. We're gonna see how this thing works, man. See if this will help me out or make it worse. So now with me starting second gear, I only got to shift one time to get to 60. We're gonna see, man. So let's go. Oh crap. Actually, did that even record? I don't know if that recorded. 6.3. That is bad. That's pretty bad. All right, so I'm gonna try it again, man. We're gonna try it again out of second gear. It felt really sluggish off the start, which I kind of expected. Might be a little bit too sluggish off second gear. So let's see. Let me see if I can. Let's see what happened here. Cause it took what the thing is with second gear, it's a little bit taller than first gear, so it's gonna take a little bit longer for it to get up to speed. So this might not work out as well as I thought, but we're gonna test it out and see, man. I mean, I just want to know if it works. It may not work, so we're gonna try this again, man. We're gonna see if this works. But I definitely felt that it took a very long time for it to kick up the speed. I feel like I was in gear forever before I shifted, of course, going out of second gear. So let me see if I can do this again, man. Let me see if I can try this again and see. Let's see what happens. Let's go. So I got 6.1, so it's a little bit faster. But I'm about to think that the second gear thing ain't gonna work. I'm thinking the second gear thing will not work at all. So, because that's way off. That is way off. So I'm gonna give it one more hit out of second gear. And I might call it, because honestly, I don't think this is gonna work at all out of second gear, man. I kind of figured that would be the case, but it's taking way too long for it to get up to speed. Way too long, and I'm just killing myself. So it might be worth, it's probably not worth going out of second gear, but I'm gonna give it one more try, man. I got 0 wheel spin, in second gear, which I can kind of start it kind of hard, but it really don't matter because like the car doesn't accelerate. It takes a long time because when I did this last time coming out of first gear, I was hitting 60 way quicker and feel like I'm almost at the end before I even get close to 60. So let me try this one more time, man. If it don't work, I'm gonna call it because I'm hitting 60 way too late. So get one more hit here. All right, let's go. That's nothing. I got no wheel spin at all, and I accelerated really hard. No wheel spin, no good. Didn't work, man. Didn't work at all whatsoever. So I'm pretty confident this ain't gonna work, man. I'm pretty confident this does not work at all coming out of second gear. But I just, I had to try it, man. I had to see how it was gonna work, and how it was gonna play out. But it definitely kind of confirmed what happened here. So let me get out the car and let's chat and go over it, man. All right, so we're done with the runs, man, and I'm going to say it didn't work. Second gear is not the way to go if you have a 6-speed. I know some people may have tried it, and it's definitely not going to work. So this is why it's not going to work. Second gear is not really made to get you from a standing start as quickly as possible. It's more of to help you build speed after you're already going. It'll help you accelerate faster once you get up to speed. And coming from dead start, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work at all. As I proved here easily that will not work. I was way off from my fastest 0 to 60 time. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. So don't work at all, man. So I guess we're gonna call it. So we're just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video, man. It didn't work, as you see. I want to appreciate everyone tuning in. Catch you on the next video. We are out. Cut it.